Imagine walking into a living room that instantly feels like it belongs in a magazine, every detail perfectly balanced, the colors soothing yet sophisticated, the textures inviting, and the layout flowing effortlessly. That's the magic designers create. But what if I told you, you can achieve that exact same designer look, even without hiring one? In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to style your living room like a professional designer, using tips that actually work and secrets most pros don't tell you. Hi, I'm Sarah. Welcome back to Calm and Cozy Homes, where we create spaces that feel warm, elegant, and beautifully lived in. If you've ever looked at your living room and thought that something's missing, maybe it feels flat, cluttered, or just doesn't flow, stay until the end, because I'm going to show you how to completely transform your space using layout tricks, color psychology, and styling moves that make a big impact. Let's start with the foundation, the layout. Before you buy a single pillow or vase, the way your furniture is arranged decides how the room feels. Designers always start by creating a conversation area, a clear focal point. If you have a fireplace, a big window, or even your TV wall, anchor your sofa to face that point. Then, balance the visual weight. If one side feels heavier, add a chair, plant, or floor lamp to even it out. The key? Leave space for movement. Designers never push furniture flat against walls, they float pieces slightly forward, creating breathing room and depth. Next, let's talk about color and tone, the invisible hand that sets the mood of your room. Designers think in layers of neutrals, not just white or beige. Choose a base color, maybe warm taupe, creamy ivory, or soft gray, and then layer tones in the same family but with different textures. A wool throw, linen curtains, a velvet pillow, the contrast in materials gives dimension and luxury. Then add accent colors, pulled from artwork or nature, muted blues, soft greens, maybe a touch of brass or terracotta for warmth. This is how you achieve that effortlessly elegant designer look, subtle, cohesive, and timeless. Even the most beautiful colors can fall flat without texture, one of the biggest secrets designers use. Think of your living room like a sensory experience, mix hard and soft, matte and shiny, smooth and rough. A marble coffee table paired with a jute rug. A boucle chair next to a sleek brass lamp. This tension between opposites brings life to a space. And if your living room looks too perfect, add something imperfect, a handmade vase, a woven basket, or a vintage find. Designers know imperfection adds soul. Lighting, the designer's secret weapon. If your only light source is a ceiling fixture, your living room will always feel flat. You need layers of light, overhead for function, floor and table lamps for mood, and accent lighting for art or shelves. Designers use the rule of three types of lighting at 3 heights, ceiling, eye level, and floor. Warm bulbs make the room cozier, while dimmers let you control the atmosphere. Picture it. The glow bouncing off your curtains, a candle flickering on your coffee table. Your living room suddenly feels like a quiet luxury hotel. Now, styling, the finishing touch that makes your room look designed, not decorated. Start with your coffee table. Designers always follow a simple formula: stack, structure, softness. Stack books or magazines, add a sculptural object or tray, and finish with something organic. A candle, a plant, or flowers. For your sofa, think in odd numbers. 3 or 5 pillows, mixing sizes and textures in the same tone family. And don't fold throws perfectly. Drape them casually, effortless is elegant. Designers rarely hang artwork too high. Keep the center at eye level. Mix frames, shapes, and textures, but keep tones cohesive. A gallery wall adds interest, while one oversized canvas can anchor the space. For renters, leaning art on consoles gives a modern, relaxed look. Your rug defines the room, at least front legs of furniture on it. Hang curtains high and wide to make ceilings look taller. Oversized art, tall plants, and statement lights add vertical interest, making any small room feel grander. Now, the emotional layer, how your living room feels. Designers design for emotion. A cozy blanket on a chair says, "Come sit down." A soft rug under your feet invites you to relax. Every item should earn its place, through beauty, purpose, or emotion. The best designer spaces don't just look perfect, they feel peaceful, personal, and real. If you're overwhelmed, start small. Choose one corner, a reading nook, console, or sofa area, and style it first. Once that feels right, use it as your blueprint for the rest. Design grows naturally when you start small and build intentionally. Before we wrap up, imagine your dream living room, not from Pinterest but from your life. The space where you sip coffee in the morning, where laughter fills the night. That's your vision, and you can create it, one thoughtful layer at a time. Stay until the end for a curated gallery of professionally styled living rooms for inspiration. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's one thing in your living room you'd love to change first? Because your home doesn't need to be big or expensive to be beautiful, it just needs you and the intention to make it calm, cozy, and yours.